Hey guys, it's Ryan, and today we have an unboxing from SpeedCubeShop.com. So let's get into it. It's a pretty big package, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, so yeah, that's all it actually. Alrighty. So that's just the receipt. Here's everything. Alright, so let's start off with this Moyu bag. Now I've been to I think 12 competitions now, and every time I had to use one of those like sack bags where you like have the strings and you pull on them to close it. Well, those are really annoying to use because they get out of shape easily, and yeah. But this one, wow. Because I could put everything in this bag and just, it'll be really easy to carry. I mean, yeah. Like, I go to like a Rubik's Cube, little like club on Saturdays, so I could use this to carry my cubes there. Anyways, let's get to the actual cubes. Well, we'll start off with these stickers. We first have business card. These are fitted Valk stickers. And I got a free logo. Now, alright, let's open these Fidget cubes. They're not really a puzzle. They're something that you fidget around with, if that makes any sense. Basically, it's like an alternative for pen clicking or whatever. So I actually asked Cam a very long time ago to actually get these, and he got it, which is cool. Alright, let's do first turn. This is the Midnight Cherry one. It's red buttons and black plastic. So there's many versions of these. They're not all like original. This one appears to be high quality. So the top part right here, we have a joystick that's magnetized, so that you can do this, but it'll go back to its shape, which is pretty cool. Oh, I love this switch so much. It's not like really loose or anything, but it has that snap, which I really like. Here we have this rotating wheel. Oh, this is like, it's kind of like just trying to, I don't know what it is. It's like kind of like it makes you calm or something. This is gears. You just turn these, and you have a little marble-ish thing here. This one doesn't turn that well, but you can actually click this. And this one, whoa. Alright. Some of these are able to be clicked and some are not, I guess. So these three have sounds and these are silent. And that's just really cool. I think I spent way too much time on these, but I just really wanted this for a while because all my friends had it. And this one's probably the same. Oh, this one, the marble's not that good. And yeah, it's the same. These are going to be really cool to use. Just hold around. And yeah. And here is the actual cube, the Valk. Now I actually ordered the Valk before, but the reason I got another one is because I magnetized my other one with N35s with the conversion kit, and I did not think it would be so strong because I used N50s for the GTS and that was really weak, so I thought N35 would be like barely noticeable, but it just made it impossible for OH. So I just got another one. Alright. Oh, I love these. I love the Valk because it's like ready to go out of the box almost. Alright, let's attempt a decent solve here. Oh, Olo skip. Whoops. +2. Alright, well, yeah, that's just it. I've already had the Valk before, so I don't need to go over anything. It is still one of the best puzzles ever, though. And that is it for this unboxing, folks. We have the cube, we have these two awesome things, and stickers. And not to mention the logo. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.